All right, if I'm going to have a tenant, this is going to be theirs. So they probably don't want to look at all my crap. So I'm going to try and clean this up. But in order to do that, we got to go over here. This is my new workshop that's looking like crap, but you know, it's getting there. I'm moving stuff around, that's the problem. What I got going on is down here. I knew I had cement back there, and it was dirt all in here. And I realized there's cement here, cement kind of asphalt right here, and that's where the steam boiler used to be. So I've been mining, getting all the dirt out of here to fill in the stump in the back. But I really want to wash everything down. I got some D-germ and a spray bottle, pump sprayer, and I've just been hosing down the walls. I started in this corner, didn't film, of course, but it's coming out nice. It's, you know, just getting rid of cobwebs, and you know, I was kind of concerned with the mouse urine. Everyone's dying of this disease. Not everyone, one person that I know, but not no. Okay, I don't lie. I'm lying. I heard a story. But anyway, yeah, D-germ will disinfect everything. And then, yeah, I'm just cleaning the floors. Like, they're all just dust. And I tried vacuuming and sweeping, and it just makes such a mess. The vacuum has to have a bag in it to trap dust like that. So now I'm just resorting to hosing it and wet vac. I'll do this little area. Let's set you guys up. This is what I picked up, just this Odo band, 99% of germs it kills. Home Depot's finest. So if it's clean down here, it'll be more, you know, I really want to, I'll store stuff here, but not if it's just covered in dirt and dust all the time. And that's a little dehumidifier I picked up on Amazon. It's supposed to do 2,000 square feet. I think it's tiny, but we'll see. All right, so I haven't emptied this yet. I've done what I've shown you, that whole corner, and this thing's pretty full now. We're like half full, but you can see it's picking up all the brick dust and sand that's coming out of there. I'm not really pressure. I don't want to pressure it out of there because you want to keep it in there, but just trying to clean it. Like, that whole shelf was like a pound of dirt and dust. Yeah, this is way better. Now I can get those shelves down here, maybe. Yeah, that'll be a good area. Get that nice and stored over here. Thinking over here, I might get that concrete, the self-leveling. It's pretty, you know, it's 3 or 4 inches here. I don't know if I can put it over top of this. I'm hoping I can. I mean, it's just for walking on and to keep the dust down. And see how this looks wet? This is just moisture coming up from the ground. I've not gotten this wet at all. So that shows you how much, you know, a dirt floor can just wick up into your basement. So this wall, yeah, needs a good cleaning too. A lot of it's just like cobwebs and crap, but you know, this is solid. It's not crumbling. Up here's a little crumbly, but a little rinse wouldn't hurt, I don't think. Then this area is all dirt, and that floor is falling, so I may have to take these stairs out and get under there. Just realize this does not have a drain on it. I thought all wet and dry vacs had a drain at the bottom. Oops. Maybe I can put one. But anyway, I'm waiting on I bought a pump on Amazon. It's delayed, of course, because why would you pay for Prime 2-day shipping? It doesn't work. It's been a week now, so I'll just stick a pump in here, garden hose it outside. Guess I never finished this video. Well, here we are a month later, all cleaned up, still nice and dust-free. I made this quick pallet shelf. It was one long pallet, and then I took a normal pallet, cut it, and made just like, it's pretty strong. It's kind of nice. I got those shelves over there. That wall you saw me wash, I did that one, and then just started putting wood over here. I want to get wood. I never did clean over here. I guess that's why I never finished the video, because I want to make that like a wood shelf up there, because it's naturally a shelf already. But yeah, I got a ton more pallets there, but it's coming along. Sneak peek here. New project going on down there. All right. Tune in for more.